finally headed to Japan now, and I was just at the Bangalore Terminal 2 International Airport. It's my first time here. I've taken international flights before, but I've been from Delhi. So yeah, I just wanted to show you around the airport. So I was just at the 080 International Lounge. It's pretty good. It's worth it, I would say. And damn, it's like an inside waterfall inside the airport. Pretty interesting, I would say. We have a lot of cool cafes, and the theme is supposedly minimalistic, I think, because they have tried to keep like these kind of huts kind of things at the place, and it has a lovely vibe to it. Really good. And as you can see, I'm sort of tired right now. It's close to 12:30 a.m. and I was just working the whole day yesterday. Now I have to take an 11-hour flight because I have a layover in Hong Kong for an hour. So yeah, let's see if I can make it properly, because an hour's layover seems kind of less, given the fact that the plane will land and maybe it'll take me maybe 20 minutes to get out of the airplane, and then head to my immigration and then board the airplane. So yeah, the only problem I have is I'll have to be sort of awake. It's just a 5.5 hours flight from here, so most probably since we have a meal also in between, I'll only get to sleep for about 3 hours. So, and then getting up, taking the flight will be a bit hectic, I think, but I think I can make it. Let's see. Hi guys, I finally arrived in Tokyo and I just freshened up a little bit. One fun fact about Japan is that I don't know, maybe it's for this season, but the sun sets at 4:30 p.m. That was a shocker for me, because as soon as I got off the airport, I was in a metro, and the first sights I saw of Japan were dark, and I was like, what's the time right now? And then I realized, I googled it, and pretty interesting, right? And it's really cold right now over here. I feel the chills in my hands, not as such in the chest and the bones area, but yeah, interesting. Let's explore Tokyo more and we'll get back. Yeah guys, so I just got done with the TeamLab Planets experience here in Tokyo. It was pretty interesting, and I think it was really nice. It took me aback a bit, because there were a few experiences I wasn't expecting as such, but other than that, it was like quite balanced. Given the amount I paid for it, I think it was quite balanced. So yeah, the place looks good as well. Day 2 here in Tokyo, and I feel really fresh right now, and the weather is quite cold and pleasant for some reason. I'm very excited about today. I have to visit the Shibuya Sky, the Tokyo Tower, and Akihabara, which is the anime place. So yeah, let's see how the day goes. guys, so I just had some good lunch and I'm here at the Tokyo Tower right now. It's pretty magnificent, and to be honest, I'm not sure if it lights up at night, and but it's more colorful than the Eiffel Tower, I think. That has a more maroonish color, and this has a more orangish and reddish color, I guess. Pretty cool actually. For some reason it's not too crowded right now. I think it was a surprise for me because I was assuming that people will be in chunks of numbers over here, but it's pretty chill. Let's see if I can get some cool pictures clicked there. So guys, I'm just sitting near the Tokyo Tower, and I went through a couple of images on Google, and it does light up at night, so it might be worth visiting once at night. I'll just see if after my conferences I get time someday to do that. But yeah, I'm sitting near a park just beside the Tokyo Tower, and it's really pleasant and the vibe is really good over here. I'm really liking Tokyo so far, and I do think Japan is living in 2050 because the kind of lifestyle they live, it makes sense, and the Japanese people are really well cultured, and they are extroverts once you are interested in their culture and the kind of things that they like. So that's pretty interesting to see, because I went through a couple of posts online and people were saying that Japanese people are more reserved, but I don't think that's true. They are extroverts. If you put an effort and interest in their language and their culture, then they will talk for hours and hours. Guys, this is the Pokémon Cafe, and the Pokemon store obviously are going to be there in a couple of minutes. Guys, it's just around 4:26 p.m. right now, and it's already close to sunset here in Tokyo. So I'm not sure if it's just a December thing or if it's a general thing here in Japan, but I think this is really something you need to know so that you can plan your trips accordingly. Hi guys, I'm at the Tokyo Sky Tower right now, and I have really fond memories of this place because this is exactly what I've seen a lot in Detective Conan anime. They have had an entire movie based on this place, and it feels surreal that I am actually in the place. This is really beautiful. It's like a cool hub over here. You can get your photos clicked, and a lot of other cool services are there, plus the view. You must have already seen the view in the video, and it's simply magnificent. Guys, this is the Tokyo Sky Tower. The Christmas vibes are already here, guys. That's the Tokyo Skytree Garden.